Hey guys, if you're new here, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Roxanne and welcome to my channel. If you are not new, thanks so much for coming back. I really appreciate you clicking on the video. Today, you guys, I wanted to go ahead and do just a quick eye look with the new Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I picked this up in my huge haul the other day and I've really been wanting to play with it. It's just a super neutral, warm look for the summer. I really did like playing with the color in my last tutorial or my last video. I played with the green, or I guess like the teal, the blue sky color right here. And then today I kind of kept it more with like the neutrals in the palette. I really like the colors. I like the scheme. I like the idea behind it. I like the theme of it. So I'm really happy I picked this up. I've been debating like back and forth whether I was going to get it, but then Ulta came out with a 20% off coupon, so I used that to pick it up. I'm really happy with it. The colors are so blendable and so beautiful. They almost blend themselves. I did have to use a yellow from MAC. I used chrome yellow just because this palette didn't have any yellows and I really wanted to do a yellow in my outer corner. I went ahead and just created this look and I hope you guys like it. So without further ado, if you're interested to see how I created this look, then go ahead and just keep watching. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this look. I had a lot of fun playing with some colors I don't normally play with. I added some yellow in my outer V with chrome yellow from MAC, and this is a look that I created. It's just a pretty fun summer neutral look. And I guess that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Take care and take care of each other, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!